Hey guys, what's up? My name is Faith if you're new, and if you are not new, then hey again. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my mini twists. I'm actually doing it for vacation and I just love doing it as like a protective style. They're good for any time of year. They're also a really great style for hair growth. I've been doing them a lot in the past years and it's really helped to grow my hair. So if you're looking for something that's versatile and really easy, then a mini twist is for you. But yeah, let's just get right into this. I'm gonna go shower and wash my hair, but then I'll be back. Okay guys, so I'm starting on freshly washed hair. The first thing that I'm going to be doing is just wetting my hair with this water. Then I'm going to be using my Mielle Sea Moss Anti-Shedding Curl Pudding. Then my OK Black Jamaican Castor Oil Hair Sorbet. This is a great thick cream that just helps to form my curls. Lastly, using Miss Jessie's Honey Curls. This is just like a really light jelly that keeps my hair from frizzing. As for my scalp, I'm going to be using this thickening biotin leave-in. Biotin has a lot of benefits. It's good for growth and keeping my scalp moisturized. And I also end up using my Girly Miracle hair growth oil, which I didn't show in this part, but stay tuned because I will show me using that. I did use that on my scalp. It's like the holy grail throughout my hair growth journey, so I will definitely show you that later. As far as hair tools go, I'm using these crocodile clips and just some hair clips, a paddle brush, I really like this wooden one, and then a comb. So I start sectioning off my hair into 4 parts down the middle, and then I start down these sides as you can see here, and it gives me 4 big parts. So after I use all of those products in that order, I go ahead and I start twisting. So you can see I started twisting in the back here, and after each section that I twist, what I do to minimize shrinkage is just to braid that section down. This style takes me a few hours to do, so it just helps keep my hair stretched in the meantime. Now let's move on to the next day where I show you how I actually twist my hair. So good morning. I did this whole side the night before. It took me a few hours. I did one side of my hair and a little bit of the other. So I'm going to show you guys how I twist this last part. First, what I do is I just section a piece of my hair off with a comb. Then I go in with the products that I had mentioned in that order. There's me adding in the products. And of course, as I promised, I have the Girly Miracle hair growth oil. I've been using this thing. I use this thing all the time throughout my hair growth journey. It has like every oil you can think of that's good for promoting hair growth and like stopping shedding. I just put that on my scalp and I use that pretty much all over my hair. I am providing it to you guys on my Depop page. So if you're interested in getting this oil for your hair growth journey, then I would suggest picking it up on there. The link is in my description. Now to minimize frizz, I don't just 2-strand twist. What I do is I grab the root of my small part and I go in and I flat twist a little bit. So you'll see me, instead of grabbing a piece and splitting it into 2, I will grab a tiny piece and kind of like cornrow twist or flat twist about 2 times or so. Then I twist it down about 75% and I just curl my ends. I do this because I think it looks a little bit more boho and pretty when I have like some of my curls out at the bottom as opposed to twisting all the way to my ends. If you are worrying more about split ends or wanting extra protection for your hair, then I would suggest twisting until the ends, but I have like all these products that I'm using and oils to help give me maximum protection, so I like to leave my ends out. So yeah, that's pretty much my method. I part my hair, I detangle, I add my products, and then I go in with my honey curls to each section and just twist it 75% of the way, leave my ends out, and that's pretty much it. So when I'm all done, like I said, I like to braid down my hair just to help stretch it a little bit because my shrinkage is crazy, and nothing wrong with shrinkage. If anything, that's how you know your hair is pretty healthy if you have curly hair, but for me, I like more of an elongated look sometimes, so this is what I'm doing, and this is how it looks when I take the braids down. Hair is looking healthy and shiny, moisturized, definitely cared for, and this style, I just absolutely love it, so I hope you guys try this out or learn from me when you are mini twisting your hair. These are some of the styles that I like to do: a ponytail or use a claw clip, or even this super pretty flower clip. I love using it. It just reminds me of summer 1000%, and I feel like I get to live my coconut girl dreams to the fullest and enjoy the versatility that this hairstyle gives me. This usually lasts me about a month. As far as Upkeep goes, I just spray my scalp with my biotin leave-in conditioner every few days and oil my scalp as well. After like the 2-week mark, my hair is so prone to getting frizzy so quick. I don't know why, so I just like redo just my part or some pieces underneath if they get really loose, but for the most part it's very low on the maintenance, and for the amount of hours, I think I've spent like 7 hours. I think it's worth it because 7 hours and I don't have to really do much of my hair for like a month. I think it's pretty worth it for me. I'd rather put in the work for like a day and just be set. I also don't have to really do much to my hair in the morning or everything, so I enjoy the freedom of this hairstyle and not having to like wake up early and like not know what I'm doing with my hair. But yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. In the meantime, check out my other videos, but I will see you until then. Bye!